Life is beautiful and hope is beautiful. I always believe in these two things. And because I believe, I always attract which can make my life beautiful. And this video, while I'm making, I want to show you how nature keeps us happy even in the four seasons when they are changing. They give us the hope and the reasons to smile, to change, to keep changing even, and to accepting that yes, change is what we should learn. While I'm traveling to Lodhi Garden, in this video I want to show you how beautiful this garden is, and you must travel once in your life. But while I am traveling with you here, I have few very beautiful advices which might help you in your life. So watch this video full, and if you have friends, family around you, sit with them and watch it and learn with the nature. Like, even in the worst, it is beautiful, it is sounding beautiful, it is giving so much happiness. Dear girls, if you really want to do something in your life, you must do it today, because there is no tomorrow. If you want to eat your favorite food, eat. If you want to go somewhere and sit in silence, do it today. If you want to sit with your parents and do the best talk of your life, do it today. If you want to be the best version of yourself, then do and work on it. Every time, every day, every moment, you have to do what you want to do. Nothing is impossible. No one is looking at you. It is just a matter of thoughts that we have been engraved in our head, which we have been listening from our childhood and from near dear people, that this should be like this should be like this, you should sit like this, you should do this, you must not go there, you must go there. Do not just listen, okay? Take a pause, understand what they are saying. What should I listen? How much I listen? Is this good for me? Is this not good for me? You see these birds, they are free. Though they are in a closed place, but they are free to do what they want to do or they must do. So while they are in a closed place, they are doing what they must do. They want to enjoy, they are doing it. They want to sing, they do it. What time they need to eat, what time they want to sleep, they do it. So my only and only inspiration for myself in my life is, if you want to achieve something, you must take action towards it, and then you must do it. I have seen such a low phases in my life, and then so high, and then again low, and then there is a crash. Now there is zero, like actually a zero. After working on something from scratch and then going up, then going down, then going up, then crashing again, and now trying to build something. So this is how the life is always. It is like this always. It is just that now with the time we are getting the understanding of this is how life is. So when we didn't know that how life works, we used to really chill. ठीक है, this will work, this will not work, or it's okay. But now when we are so much aware of so much of things, we worry about things too much. So what I'm trying to say is, know less and enjoy more. and whatever you think is best for you, do the research and make it correct, and do it for yourself, for your family, for your own heart, for your own body, for your own development, right? We always love this nature. Why we love nature? Because it's free. It is how it is. It is always beautiful. It is always happy. It is always a smiling in each and every situation. These colors of clouds, we are loving it. Why? Because they are happy and they are sending us such a beautiful vibe, and they are just making the surroundings so much happy. So we must make sure that we should be the vibe, or we should be the energy that always and always giving the happiness in our heart to our surrounding and to our body, right? Thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy. Bye bye.